We in Wales have had 25 years of labour as a farmer. We're on our knees. That's why we're out protesting. That's why we're out in them docks. And when people ask you that question, you tell them, we fed this country affordably, seasonally and healthily since day dot. These buildings and these people wouldn't be here without us. They destroyed everything. Do not let them destroy our industry. We're proud, we're hardworking, and we pay our taxes, and we have done across the board. They don't understand that people are not making a profit.
Stop paying the taxes.
We are not going to pay the inheritance tax. Listen to the people before you go cold and hungry, and it will happen. Food inflation, food shortages, and the poorer people in society will suffer. And that's why when we go home tonight, we'll go back to working hard, to making sure there's food on them shelves.